Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Sogand. Please subscribe us on YouTube channel. To this video, I recommend you listen to me with headphone. Sit comfortable place. Put your hands on your legs. Close your eyes. Focus. Take a deep breath and take an inhale and exhale. Feel the oxygen. Don't judge to yourself. This exercise can be improved to your focus. For example, start of new job. Now, please focus to the music. Don't be hard to yourself and lead your mind to the music. I leave for a few minutes. Now, open your eyes. If you can focus, you can do many exercises. It's very good for you.